Improve your affiliate marketing with our tips. Running a successful online business can be a hard and tedious task, especially if you are having trouble gaining users and helping your website become popular and known. With the help of these tips/tricks, you will find yourself feeling more confident about yourself and your website, as well as the popularity of your site slowly increasing. In order to run a successful affiliate marketing business, you have to attract the right consumers to your website. Writing videos that are relevant to the product or products you are selling is an efficient way to do this. For example, if you are promoting natural health remedies, post videos on your website about arthritis, the benefits of natural health remedies, or how garlic can ease joint pain. Consumers looking for information that pertains to the products you are sponsoring are more likely to pull out their credit cards and increase your monthly sales. Only link to affiliate sites with products that you believe in. If you link to sites that do not sell quality products, you may break the trust of your readers, which will lose you the people that you rely on to keep your site up and running successfully. Readers will know an affiliate link when they see one, so use your best judgment when placing them. Do not get caught out advertising products for a merchant that will not ship to your website's visitors. On the internet, it is easy to forget how big the world is, and not all of the affiliate marketing partners you can join up with ship all the way around that world. Do not waste time on an advertiser that cannot ship to countries where the majority of your visitors live. Just by following these easy tips, you can be guaranteed increased success of your website. More people will recognize your business. Via word of mouth and internet tactics, your page rankings will increase. You will find that running a profitable internet business is not as hard as originally thought. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.